Yes, good afternoon students. Welcome to online class. Yes, very good afternoon students. How are you all? I think all are fine. Okay, Preeti Kujannavar on your video. Okay, then already 1 week back I took your class because of that examination and that some holidays. That's why we are going to continue now today's class. Okay, what we are already discussed in previous class, what we discussed, properties of numbers. Properties of numbers. The whole numbers have some property. First one is closure property, that addition and multiplication of closure property. Already we discussed it. Any number you should multiply with another number, because one whole number you should multiply with another whole number. That answer should be whole number only. That product is always whole number. And you should add any whole number to another whole number. That answer, that sum is always called whole number only. Okay, that is called closure property. Then second one is commutative property. Commutative property means addition and multiplication of commutative property. You should add any number with any sign. Two numbers, you should interchange the number places and you should add, that sum should be equal. That is called commutative property. Then another one is associative property. Okay, then associative property means what? That addition and multiplication of associative property. Okay, you should make a group. You should make a group. Then you should find the product or sum. That answer should be same. That answer is called equal. That is called, already so many examples we discussed in previous class. Now another one property, last one property, distributive property. What is the name of this property? Distributive property. Distributive of multiplication over addition. Here also two operations are there. One is the multiplication, another one is the addition. Then what is the distributive property? Now we are going to discuss some examples. Okay. Then I am going to show you A into bracket B plus C. Okay. What is that? A into bracket B plus C bracket complete. This is called distributive property. Then A into B. A into bracket B plus C bracket complete. This bracket inside of the B plus C, it is, you should multiply. How it is? A into B bracket plus A into C. A you should multiply with one time B, another time C. This is called distributive property. Then examples, how we will solve examples. Okay. Then one example, find 12 into 35 using distributive property. This is the given problem. 12 into 35. Sir, here only given A is 12, sir, and 35 B only given there, C is not given there, sir. Okay, this type is given there means you should do one thing. 35 number you should group, make a group estimation number. For example, look at here, 12 into bracket 35 is there, you should make a 30 plus 5. This type you have to do it. Then next, 12 into 30 bracket plus 12 into 5. Okay, then answer 12 3s are 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36. then 36 plus 12 5s are 60. 12 5s are 60. Then how much answer? Tell me how much answer? 4. How much? Tell me. Then answer is 420. This is the final answer. But another one type is there. Okay. 12 into 35 is there. That answer is how much? 12 into 35. Then what is the answer? 12 5s are 60. 0. 12 3s are 36. 36 plus 6 42. Then answer should be 42. This is called distributive property. This time you have to divide numbers. You have to divide the numbers. Then you have to make a group. That approximately you have to divide that group and do this type example you have to solve. Another one example we are going to solve. Next one. Second one example 2, 3 and 6. Solve using distributive property. Solve using distributive property. Okay. Dear students, they are given 2. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 6. Then you have to write that one in formula. Okay. Then what? 2 into bracket B 3 plus 6 is equal to 2 into 3 bracket complete plus 2 into 6 bracket complete. Okay. Then 2 3s are no 2 as it is into 3 plus 6 it is 9. Okay. Then 2 3s are 6 plus 6 2s are 12. Then 9 to 11. 6 plus 9 2s are 18 and 6 plus 12 it is also 18. Now this is called distributive property. Okay. Then both side answer is same. This is the solving method of the distributive property. Okay. Now you know that already we discussed how to solve the associative property, because there also one formula is there. What is that formula? A into bracket B into C is equal to A bracket A into B bracket complete into C. That is called associative property. Multiplication of associative property. Another one is the addition of associative property, means A plus bracket B plus C bracket complete is equal to bracket A plus B bracket complete plus C. This is called associative, addition of associative property. Okay. Now next, another one example I am going to discuss. Another one example. Yes. Next one. Third one. 24 into 260. Solve using distributive property. Okay. Sir, here also given this type. 24 into 260 is given there. 24 into 260 is given there, means how to divide. Okay. First we have to do here 24 into bracket 260 is there. You should divide that 200 plus 60. This much you have to divide it. Okay. Again you have to do here 24. It is one time 200, another time 60. 2 times multiplication, because this bracket including this bracket is there. 24 is one time you have to multiply with the 200, and then time 24 into multiply with the 60. Then you have to write here 24 into 200 bracket complete plus 24 into 60 bracket complete. Okay. Then do it the next 24 as it is into 200 plus 60 260 is equal to 24 to the 48 20 directly you should give there, and 24 6 the how much 24 for the 48 48 plus 48 144 144 times 0, and right here 24 zeros are 0, 24 6 are 144, 4 you should write, and you should give carry 14, and 24 2s are how much 24 2s are 48, 48 plus 14 you should carry, you should add it, 8 plus 4 12, and 4 plus 1 5 6 62 6250. Then again you should add it here, 0 plus 0 always 0, 0 plus 4 always 4, 8 plus 4 8 plus 4 8 plus 4 12, 1 carry, 4 plus 1 5, 1 carry 6, 6240 6240. This is called distributive property, distributive of multiplication over addition property. Okay. Okay, remember dear students, total how many properties are there? Total 4 properties are there. One is closure property, commutative property, associative property, distributive property. Because these are called multiplication with the addition. Both are there. Okay. Then next we are going to discuss all properties you should write down. Okay, it is very important. Okay, dear students, next we are going to discuss next one is, remember it is very important, identity of addition. Identity of addition. Identity of addition means what? Okay, remember dear students, identity of addition means, example 1 plus 0. The answer is any number we should add with the 0. The answer is always 1. Okay. Then 2 plus 0 is equal to 2 only. 0 have not value. That is called identity of addition is, identity of addition is 0. Remember dear students, always in your mind, this is 1 marks question, which is the identity of addition. Which is the identity of addition? You should write there 0 is the identity of addition, because we should take a 0 and we should add any number with the 0. The answer is called that number only. 0 have not value, because we we are calling identity of addition is 0. Look at here, 0 plus 2, 2 only. 6 plus 0 is equal to 0 only. And 6 plus 0 is equal to 6 only. And 0 plus 6 is equal to what? 6 only. This is called identity of addition. It is very important. Remember in your mind, we are going to ask some question means which is the identity of addition. You have to tell, sir, 0 is the identity of addition. Okay. Then next one is identity of multiplication. Identity of multiplication is also very important. Identity of multiplication means example. Look at here. 1 into 6 is equal to 6 1s are 6. 6 into 1 is equal to 6 only. And 7 into 1 is equal to 7 only. 1 into 7 is equal to 7 only. Because 1 have not value. Because we are calling their identity of multiplication is always 1. Identity of multiplication is always 1. Remember in your mind, 1 is the identity of multiplication. Remember in your mind always, which is the identity of multiplication means you should write there. 1 is the identity of multiplication and 0 is the identity of addition. It is very important. It is 1 marks question definitely. In your objective type question is they are asking which is the identity of addition. You should write there 0. 0 is the identity of addition and another one is there which is the identity of multiplication. Identity of multiplication is 1. Remember that. Okay. Write down this all. Now next one point we are going to discuss your exercise 2.1 problems. Okay. Exercise 2.1 problems. Okay. Next exercise 2.2 problems. Okay, one problem I am going to solve now. Okay, 4 into 166 into 25. Which property is suitable for this problem? Sir, here multiplication is there and here also multiplication is there. Okay. And 1, 2, 3, A, B, C is there. Absolutely, you know that. Which property? Sir, associative, multiplication of associative property suitable for this problem. Then we should divide it. Okay. 4 into bracket 166 into 25 bracket complete is equal to bracket 4 into 166 bracket complete into 25. Okay, this is the problem. You have to solve there here. Okay, okay. 4 as it is you should keep and into 166 into 25 is there. Okay, then you have to do it here only. 166 into 25. 33, 5 on 5 plus 3, 8 and 1 number, 6 goes on, 12, 1 carry, 6 goes on, 12, 1, 13, 2 1 are 2, 1, 3, 0, 5, 11 and it is 4. It is 4000 equal to, here also you should do it 6, 4 6 are 24, 2 carry, 4 6 are 24, and 2 carry 24, 26, 2 carry, 4 1 are 4 plus 2, 6, 664 into 25. Okay, let's do it next here. Next step you have to solve here. 4 zeros are 0, 4 5s are 20, 2 carry, 4 1s are 4 plus 2, 6, 4 4s are 16, then 16,000, then is equal to, here how much, 664 into 25, 20, 30, 32, 30, 33, 33, 1 place, 4 2s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 1 carry, 6 2s are 12, 1 carry plus 30, 0, 10, 6, 6, 1. Then answer is 16,600. 16,600, 16,600. Now, this is which property? This is called associative of multiplication of associative property. What is that? Multiplication of, this is multiplication of which property? Multiplication of associative property. Multiplication of associative property. Okay, dear students, remember this one. Here, this is your exercise problem. Exercise 2.2. This type, so many problems are there. You have to open that. I will send you today. I will send you that all exercise problems. I will send you in your Teachment app. You should open that app and you have to write. Okay. Now next problem I am going to discuss. Okay, now dear students, we are going to discuss another one problem. Eight hundred and fifty-four multiplication 102. This is the given problem. Which property is suitable for this problem? Okay, already I discussed it, distributive property. You have to use the distributive property. Okay, look at here, 854 multiplication bracket 100 plus 2. This much only. Then you have to do it here, 854 multiplication 100 plus 854 multiplication 2. Then 854 ones are 854. 2 0 directly you should keep there, because you know that how to solve this. 854 ones are 854, 2 0 you should keep there directly. Then plus 4 2s are 8, 2 5s are 10 plus 1 carry, 8 2s are 16 plus 1 17. Then you should add it. Okay, how much? 0 plus 8 only, 0 plus 0 only, 7 plus 4 11, 1 carry, 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 7 and 8 directly. 87,108. This is the final answer. Okay, this time you have to solve the problems. Okay, now let us discuss. First you should write down this one. Write down this one. Okay. Next one problem I am going to show you. Okay. Next, last one problem. 738 multiplication 103. Which property belongs to, which property is suitable to this problem? Okay. First of all, this is given means you should observe it is distributive property is applying, sir. Okay, write down is equal to 738 multiplication bracket 100 plus 3 bracket complete is equal to 738 bracket into 100 bracket plus bracket 738 into 3 bracket complete. Okay, now is equal to 738 into 103. Here look at here, 738 ones are 738 and 2 0 you should keep directly. Then plus 8 3s are 24, 8 3s are 24, 2 carry, 3 3s are 9 plus 2, 9 plus 2, how much? 9 plus 2, 11, 1 carry, 7 3s are 21, 1 carry, 22. Then here you should solve the problem, okay? First of all, you should write here 103, 24. Seventy-six thousand 14. Here how much? 0 plus 4, 4, 0 plus 1, 1, 8 plus 2, 10, 1 carry, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, and 7 directly. 76,014 and 76,014. Our answer is correct. Then you have to write here, this is distributive property. What is that? Distributive property. Remember, dear students, so many problems are there in your exercise 2.2 problem. I will send it. Okay. This maximum I solved 4 problems in your exercise only. Okay. You have to apply same. Any doubt which you should send to that problem, I will send it. I will solve it. I will send it. Okay. Now write down this one. Okay, dear students, okay, Shanta, Rajanandini, okay, tell me, what is, how many properties are there? 4 numbers have how many properties? 4 numbers have how many properties? On your mic, all of you on your mic.